Yo, listen, yo, one day I think I'll look back and laugh, reminiscing on the traumas of my past and the countless times I was left shattered. But when I sit and think about it, how much of it matters. All the stressing over debts, messing with my ex, typical bad days and moments of regret. The days wasted and the times that I've spent contemplating what I'm on and where I'm going next. But it don't mean a thing, bad times come and go. As the hands turn, my path learns another road, and I leave what's behind me. As I wake another day, I'll be where my mind be. I'm not regretting what I done last night, cause what's done is done, a man cannot push back time. Move forward, hit the clutch and drive. I won't look back once and I won't look back twice. I look ahead.
Told your friends that I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, then why'd you call last night? You say all I ever do is just control your life. But how you gonna lie like that? How you gonna lie like that? Yeah, I heard you said I ain't the type for you. I don't regret it though, I learned from it. They should have you locked up for all the time you stole from us. Whoa, took you out when I had no money. Only person that you ever cared about was you, that's why it's so funny. You want somebody that'll keep you warm at night, then tell me why you acting cold to me. You ain't the only one to blame, the one that made you rich when I bought every lie you sold to me. Yeah, I heard you threw away the pictures, but you still got the memories of us, so I guess I don't really make a difference. Flipping through them in your head, got you texting me all hours of the night. Yeah, you told me that you needed distance. What's the deal with you? You say you want a man that keeps it real, then why you mad when I get real with you? You want someone to to pay the bills for you. Went from feeling you, now I feel for you. You told your friends that I'm just not your type. Baby, are you gonna lie? That's how you really feel. Then why'd you call last night? You say all I ever do is just control your life. But how you gonna lie like that? How you gonna lie like that? Look, let me guess, you wanna stay friends? Telling people that's how we been. Telling everybody, yeah, that we was barely speaking. Oh, that's kinda funny, why'd you call me every day then? It's immaturity, you going off the deep end. You just want somebody you can chill and get some drinks with. Cool, then don't hit me on the weekend. Telling me you missed the way we talked and now I listen, yeah. Why you playing with my mind, huh? Why you playing with my time, huh? Told me we should let it go and put it all behind us. That's what I did, now you asking me what I done. I was waiting for this day, I saw it coming. I think you just like attention, trying to tell me all your problems. I got issues on my own, I ain't got time for all this drama. You told me that you don't really wanna talk, and why you calling, huh?